serious on this track, fam.
Good morning po sa ating dyan mga kaminggal. Let's po, ito naman po tayo. Interview po ng ating pambansang kamao. Aminado po ang ating pambansang kamao na binugbog niya po si one-time Kid Thurman sa unang round.
Oh yeah, I know. Manny, you hear split decision. What was going through your mind?
I think the knockdown is a big factor.
Yeah.
I mean, big knockdown. The knockdown is big factor.
I agree, but you didn't have any worries? You didn't think that they may have given the decision to Thurman?
No, because I got him in the 10th round.
Yeah?
10th round, yeah.
So you said the knockdown in the 10th round. I got the fight.
Yeah, I got the fight.
Good job.
I think everybody here was absolutely wowed by the physical performance that you put in. Freddie Roach had told us that the physical ability had never gone away. It was always about the mental part of boxing for you. What changed mentally ahead of this fight?
Oh, I really focus this fight, this training camp. I work hard, and then that's the price. The price. Being the hard work, from the hard work.
Now, Manny, everybody says that you're a senator, you may not be ready, you may not want to keep boxing. What is it that's keeping you boxing right now?
Oh, boxing is my passion, you know. I love bringing honor to my country and people cheering for you. I love basketball, but basketball, you're the whole team. You don't know who's people cheering for. Boxing is you alone, man.
Obviously, we want you to bask in the glory of this moment. We've also got to ask you, you're standing next to Sean Porter. Sean has a huge fight coming up against Errol Spence Jr.
Yeah, I'm not going to watch the fight.
Did you say you're not going to watch it?
I'm not going to watch.
Okay.
I'm not going to watch the fight.
Okay.
Sean, are you sure that you still want Manny after that performance?
You know what? You look great, Manny. Congratulations. It was a mild moment for the crowd, a wild moment for me, and I'm ready to make a wild moment with you, my man. How are you feeling after this fight? Keith Thurman's a heavy hitter. How are you feeling?
Good, 30 seconds.
Good.
That 30 seconds.
Thank you.
What's next for you? When do you head back to the Philippines?
Back to the Philippines, back to work.
Sounds good. Listen, you're a legend. We respect you. Well done. God bless. Thank you so much.
So ayun mga kalis po, ano po yung mga masasabi niyo doon? Please comment and subscribe, and please click the notification bell, and have a nice day. Thank you.